So, good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated January 11, 2023. So, before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that any stock, any security that we might discuss in today's session should not be considered as a buy or sell recommendation, and we are just doing it for educational purpose. So, without taking up much time, I'll start with Nifty 50 chart analysis for the day and for the week for the last few sessions as well. If you look at it, this red line, there's a 50 DMA. It's acting as a strong resistance uh, for Nifty once it breached it. And the pink line, that is the 100 DMA, is as of for now acting as a support. So, if you look at it, it's more or less forming a channel, and it's trading very close, like the 600, 700 point range. Nifty has been traded from 17,700 and 74. That's the recent lows when we shifted the market to downtrend. Post that, we got three consecutive sessions where market didn't breach that lows of 17,774. So we shifted the market status to rally attempt. Post that, it's more of a juggle, more of a seesaw for Nifty, where it's been moving upwards and then finding resistance near the 50 DMA. We look at it, then coming down, finding support at the 100 DMA. So there has been no clear trend for Nifty at the moment. And considering the situation that we are in, considering the technical scenario, if we get a follow through day and the follow through day happens post the 50 DMA, then it will be really good, because if you look at it, if a 50 if a follow through day would have happened in last session, you could have seen the next session Nifty coming down as well. Till the point in time, this resistance of 50 DMA uh, gets the 50 DMA as a resistance gets reclaimed. Till the point in time, the rally in Nifty would be a little range bound, or we can see this movement in Nifty to remain in the channel till the point in time we can see this 18,200, 18,300 level getting reclaimed. Talking about key news, Axis Bank entered into a revised agreement with MFSL to acquire an additional 7% stake in MFSL at fair market value using discounted cash flow method. Tata Motors completed the acquisition of Ford India's manufacturing plant at Sanand through its subsidiary for 725.7 crores. NTPC's coal production increased by 51% YOY to 14.5 MT from its captive mines in April to December 2022. Adani Ports, the consortium of APSEZ and Israel's Gerat Group, completed the acquisition of the Haifa Port Company Limited from the government of Israel for a bid offer of $1.18 billion. Talking about the global market update, the US market had had a positive opening, then came down, remained volatile, and then managed to close around marginally higher, where Dow closed higher by 0.6 percent, S&P 500 by 0.7%, and Nasdaq by 1%. Similarly, taking cues from the US markets, your Asian markets are also trading higher, and your Shanghai is trading higher by 0.4%, Kospi by 0.2%, and Nikkei by 1%. Considering both your US markets and your Asian markets strength in both the markets, your Asian markets closing higher, your Asian markets trading higher, your US markets closed higher. So similarly, your even your SGX Nifty is indicating a positive move, opening or a gap up opening of around 100 points at the moment. Talking about your sector view, if you look at it, talking about the selling in the last few sessions, not just in the key indices, but if you look at it on the sector front as well, the realty, your banking sector, the banking, then the last when we had discussed a week back, banking was trading well above the 50 DMA, which is not the case. It has breached the 50 DMA and the 200 D. No, this is reached the 50 DMA. Sorry, it's a trading above the 200 DMA. My bad. Uh, Talking about the pharma again, it's one of the laggard at the moment, trading below the 50 DMA and the 200 DMA. IT again, where it's trading below that 50 DMA and the 200 DMA. Talking about IT, your TCS results that came out, and talking about the other results, your Infosys, your HCL Tech, the other heavyweight gainers will also be coming up with their results. So, if a good set of numbers are coming in for these companies, you can see some kind of support for Nifty IT with your. Probably, if you look at the TCS results, there was the IT woes of attritions are probably easing off at the moment. Margin pressures are easing off. So you can see some kind of movement in the IT sector as well. Talking about sectors which are probably at the moment comfortably placed are financial services and metals. Probably metals is the only one that is comfortably trading above the 50 DMA, that is 2.73% above the 50 DMA and 14.3% above the 200 DMA. Nifty Financial Services is also trading above the 50 DMA, but it's very close to 50 DMA at the moment. And in the last few days, if you look at it, even yesterday's movement, it was around 1.4% down. So probably one more move and it can breach its 50 DMA as well. And let's see what the market has in stores for us, and probably going forward, which of the sectors can be the new leaders of the rally going ahead. So going forward, let's have probably have a look at this leading sectors, and probably the leading sectors at the moment, such as your banking, your IT, have been coming down. Probably the only sectors that have been holding well is your Nifty metal. So going forward as well, till the point in time we get an FTD, till the point in time market reclaims your 50 DMA, market is likely to remain choppy till the point in time. And if on the downside Nifty breaches the 17774 recent lows, then we'll downgrade the market to a downtrend. So, thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp.